This is my hashtag projector. Me and my team have built this. My team members include Gaurav Gadwal, A.V. Natarajan and myself Ankit Dash. This hashtag projector is a great development in biomedical applications because previous hashtag projectors were wall mounted and they were not portable. This hashtag projector doesn't need any operator and it is highly portable, so it can be taken to medical camps easily. So this project is very economical in nature. The traditional hashtag projectors were expensive and very complicated. We made this entire project under 20,000 and we have a patent filed for this also. Our aim is to measure ocular eye deviation in the patients. Patient has to superimpose his laser on a target image. The target keeps on changing and the patient has to keep on fixating on the moving target. Camera records the output. This camera then compiles with image processing the entire all set of 25 images and sends it to the doctor. The doctor need not be present at the site. The transmission is via Bluetooth. We can change it to Wi-Fi also for larger communication distance. This project is highly secure because only the doctor or whoever the required person is there can only access the Bluetooth code, because in the program only a Bluetooth ID is entered which can only see the active device of this projector. So this gives an analysis of how much his eyesight deviated from the normal eyesight. So that's what we aim to measure. Thank you. Have a good day.
Hi, this is Rahul Suraj representing Dot and Dash as a founder. So over here, what we have over here is a switch automation, which comes under which comes under home automation units. So this can directly fit inside your switch and directly retrofit your switch. There is no rewiring involved over here. So you can directly switch on and off your loads directly from any part of this world. And this is regarding home automation. So in home automation, other perspective for this, you'll be having integrations with Alexa as well as Google Home. And we also provide third-party integrations, which is from MI and Samsung Home as well. So all these applications can run in our device as well. So coming to light automation, so the model which you can see up there, this is like a light automation unit which has a coverage of 12-meter distance. And it just switches on and off your loads which are connected to it when there is a human presence, and switches off when the human presence leaves the room. We do all these things with a team strength of 10 people and having SRM as one of our more prospective clients.
So this is the multi-stage industrial delta robot system, and this system is developed by Shilpa Thakur from Mechatronics and Shailesh from EEE department, and we are working in Aura Labs under SRM University. So this project basically deals with the robot which can do pick-place operations in food packaging industries, then placement of chips and PCBs in the assembly units. Now the main purpose of our startup is, like, we make tailor-made bots. Like if you simply go to industries and you see the robotic arms they use for their pick-place operations of around payload half to 1 kg, those are very expensive systems which normal cottage or small-scale industries cannot afford. A basic version of Fenok arms will be around 4 lakhs plus. So what we have tried to make, we have made an economical version of this robot. It is divided into 2 stages. The first stage is for precision and the speed is ensured by the second stage. So it can also take a payload of around half kg to 1 kg. So for small purposes, for lifting small objects for till the weight of 1 kg, we really need not to install very expensive robots. So we make the tailor-made robots as per the requirement of the users. This project took around 2 months to be developed. Still, we are working on machine vision and haptics to be integrated into this project so that it can become more automated and a closed loop system.
Starting from myself, I am Anand Arjon, the captain. There is Rishabh Chaudhary, mechanical engineer, Anand Shukla, coding, Kriti Pratap, coding, and Pranay Moore, mechanic. We built a Kalam 1, which is an amphibious reconnaissance vehicle developed for DRDO, and we participated in the competition DRUS 2018. With this bot, we secured the second rank in the zonal level, in which around 530 teams competed. Being among the finalists, we participated in the national round, where around 1,080 teams participated from the first round itself. This prototype is capable of both aerial and underwater operations using an onboard hydraulic circuit for aiding the transmission. Currently, we are developing another drone which will go for a competition in the US in the month of July next year. We are currently looking for sponsors for that and look forward for a positive response. This project cost around 60,000 rupees for develop, and it is the second prototype in the whole process.